I would like to let everybody know that we are now streaming live. This award is given to the company embracing the opportunity of change.
Changemaker Award goes to the U.S. National Center for Missing and Exploited Children.
And the winner of the Illuminator Award this year is winner of the Advocate Award.
The Maverick Award goes to the Warehouse Crew.
The Experience Maker Team of the Year for the Americas.
APAC Experience Maker Team of the Year, Tabcorp.
Experience makers are pioneers. You're creating new pathways, right? You're inspiring others.
Winner of the Ambassador Award is Brooke Bartos.
And this year, the winner, the U.S. Bank.
Our amazing finalists are, and the winner is Sling TV.
And the winner is NTT.
The APAC Executive of the Year, Darren Gunton from Total Tools.
The winner is Chris Evans from Hesta.
I'd like to congratulate Arcadia Skaverluk.
Japan Experience Maker Team of the Year is A6 Corporation. Let's all please congratulate the Engager Award winner, Sunbelt Rentals. The Experience Maker of the Year for the Americas is Ben Meck from CVS Health.
It has been an absolute pleasure to celebrate your hard work and your success. So once again, cheers, my friends, to you.